Seterusnya kita lihat nombor 3. Find the stationary point on the curve y equals to x square minus x plus 1 over x minus 1 and determine the nature of that point. So to find a stationary point, first we have to find dy dx. To find dy dx, we have to use quotient rule. Okay, so our u is x square minus x plus 1 and our u prime is 2x minus 1. Our v is x minus 1 and our v prime is 1. Okay, so our dy dx is equals to v u prime minus with u v prime divided by v square. So we have x minus 1 square here. And then we can simplify first. So expanding, we have 2x square minus x minus 2x plus 1 minus with x square plus x minus 1 over x minus 1 square. Okay, so simplify, it becomes x square minus 2x over x minus 1 square. And then we set dy dx equals to 0. So we have x square minus 2x over x minus 1 square equals to 0. And then I'm going to cross multiply. Now we have x square minus 2x equals to 0. And then let's factorize x. So x minus 2. So x equal to 0 and x equals to 2 are the critical number. And then we have to find the critical value or y by substituting the value of x into this function. Okay, so when x 0, y is negative 1. When x 2, y is 3. Okay, so our critical point are 0, negative 1 and 2, 3. Okay, next we have to check the nature of this point. So we take our critical number, which is 0 and 2, and then we build a table. Okay, here negative infinity until 0, 0 until 2, 2 until infinity, and here we need to put sign of dy dx. Okay, from negative infinity to 0, I choose the value negative 1. From 0 until 2, I choose 1. 2 until infinity, I choose 3. And then let's find the sign of dy dx. When substitute negative 1 into dy dx, we get positive. When substitute 1, we get negative. When substitute 3, we get positive. Okay, so positive means increase, negative decrease, positive increase. Okay, so when we connect this increase and decrease, we get maximum here and we have minimum here. So our conclusion is 0, negative 1 is a relative maximum and 2, 3 is relative minimum.